Hi everyone, this is Savvy. This is Church on the Table. We are going to demonstrate to you today on how to take care of your short-haired dog. Savvy is getting some tropical wipes out. As you can see, Church is a pretty big dog and it's going to be a little bit hard for people to get him in a tub. So she's going to take this wipe and rub him all over, which is going to deodorize his coat and his skin and clean him at the same time. And he's pretty much enjoying it. Just want to get in there. He's not going to get real wet. Towelettes are damp, but damp enough to be able to get your dog clean. She's going to make sure to get each one of his feet in between his toes, because we want to make sure he's clean. And that will help also moisturize the pads of his feet as she's wiping them down. So Savvy, while you're doing that, how long have you been with Hungry Hound here in St. John?
Whole year.
So you've been here for a year now. Savvy actually has gone through our grooming training program that we have. And she is now grooming on her own. She grooms all sizes of dogs, small, medium, large. What's your favorite breed of dog to groom?
Oh, honestly, probably doodles. I like doodles.
So, and as an upcoming breed for all you doodle owners, she would be more than happy to be able to groom your doodles once we get out of lockdown. So now that she's got his body wiped down, we actually carry a face wash. We have a damp towel. She's going to spray the towel down, and she's just going to go over his face. This is not harmful to him, but she's going to wipe his face down so we can get around his eyes and his muzzle clean. If you have a dog with a lot of folds around their face, this is a good cleanser for them. So we also have the Aroma Pause Daily Spray. It's a conditioning scented spray. So this will help deodorize and make your dog smell good. A couple sprays and he's good. She's now going to take a rubber brush, or what we call a zoom broom, that will grab those little short hairs and make him feel so much better. As she's brushing him, the little rubber fingers on the brush is actually massaging him. And once she's done, he's probably going to want to take a nap. All this information that we're giving you today, this is Savvy's personal dog, will help you during the shelter in place that we have, so that all your dogs can be just as happy as if they were coming in for grooming. This is going to hold them over until we can get you all back in here. We also have face wipes. These help the white dogs who have the red tear staining. These are also pads that you'll be able to take and clean around the eyes.
That's awesome. But
they're just little pads that you can use.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Now we're going to actually move down to his toenails and show you how to clip white toenails.
Super.
It's a little bit easier to see his quick. Does he like his toenails cut or filed?
It doesn't matter. I don't have the clippers.
We're going to show you how to get real close to those nails. she's gonna show you how close. If you're afraid to cut the nails, my best suggestion is just to take the tips off. That will keep them a little bit short.
This one doesn't need to be clipped. Okay.
And she's just taken the tips off. If by chance you get a little too close, you can always use flour, baking soda, and cornstarch to help stop any bleeding. Just take a dab, hold it on the nail for a few minutes, and that will stop everything. But again, just take the tips off. And that's all you have to worry about trying to clip dog's nails at home. His is white, you can actually see the quick, and you don't want to go any further than that. You'll see how she's picking his leg up. She doesn't want to overextend it, so try not to jerk their legs around. And hopefully we'll be back to work sooner than later. All right, so that is how you would handle a short-haired dog that you can't get into a bathtub. You're using wipes to wipe them down. You're using a spray to wash the face down. You're using a rubber brush to brush him out. And you can at least keep your dog a little bit cleaner during this shelter-in-place time. Thank you, church. Thank you, Savvy.